welcome back to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. This is Shailaja, your teacher of literacy subject. So children, I hope you are ready with the literacy book. And children, today we are going to learn a very interesting content which is A and An. Okay, so we are going to learn today A or An. Children, A is used before the words begin with the consonants. Consonants word से, consonant letter से जो वर्ड स्टार्ट होता है उसके पहले हम लोग A यूज करते हैं. नाउ चिल्ड्रन, इन अल्फाबेट्स फैमिली हाउ मेनी वर्ड्स आर देयर? सॉरी, हाउ मेनी लेटर्स आर देयर? 26. From that 26 letters, how many vowels are there? 5. Those are A, E, I, O, U, and remaining 21 are the consonants. So the word begin with the consonants. Before that we use A. Okay, and the word begins with the vowels. Before that word we use An. Like example, I'll show you. See, can you see? First I am giving you the example of consonants. Okay, before the consonant words we use A. This is, we can call it article also. We use article A. हम लोग consonants, जब consonant के words जो आते हैं ना, उसके पहले A यूज करते हैं. 21 consonants are there. और वो जो consonants है, consonant से जो भी word स्टार्ट होते हैं उसके पहले हम आर्टिकल A यूज करते हैं. Like example, this is a dog. D for dog. What it is, children? This is a dog. Say hi to dog. Yes, D or G, dog. This is a consonant, right? So this is a dog. This is a B for ball. I am using article A because I am giving you the examples of consonants, and before that consonant word we are using article A. So this is a dog. One more time I will show you. This is a dog. This is a ball. This is a crab. Can you see this beautiful crab? These are the water animals. This is a water animal. This is a crab. Can you see this dolphin? Yes, see this. This is a dolphin. This is a dolphin. This is a crab. This is a crab. I am explaining, I am giving you the examples of consonants. Before consonant we use A article. This is a dolphin. This is a dolphin. This is a ball. This is a crocodile. Can you see this? I hope you can see this properly. This is a crocodile. Can you see this, children? This is a lobster. This is a lobster. This is a lobster. Can you see this beautiful color? What it is? Come on, say. Try to recognize. Yes, this is a spider. This is a spider. Next. Can you see this? This is a flower. But what is the name of this flower? Lotus. This is a flower. This is a lotus. This is a lotus. Next. Wow, huge tall animal, huge tall neck, which is giraffe. This is a giraffe. This is a giraffe. Next. Can you see this beautiful tree, children? This is a tree. This is a tree. So children, if you are observing neatly, before each word I use article A. Why I use that? Because whichever word it begins with consonants, total 21 consonants are there. So before that we use article A. Consonants के पहले हमें article A use करना है. So 21 consonants are there. उस consonants में से जिसी भी letter से word start होंगे उसके पहले हमें article A use करना है. Okay children, so these all are the example of consonants sorry, this all the example which I shown you, that is of consonants. Before consonants we use article A. This is a tree. One more time I am showing you. This is a giraffe. This is a lotus. This is a flower. This is a crab. This is a ball. This is a dolphin. This is a spider. This is a lobster. This is a crocodile. And here it is your friend. This is a dog. Okay. So these all are the words which start with the consonants letters, and we have used before that consonant article A. Now we'll go to next article, which is an. Okay. So I'll give you some example of an. Now children, we have learned about the consonants. Before consonant sound we use article A. Now how many vowels are there children? 5. Those are A, E, I, O, U. Okay. Whichever words begin with the vowels sound, before that we use an. Okay. जो भी words vowel से शुरू होते हैं, कौन से vowel से? A, E, I, O, U. 5 vowels are there. तो इस 5 vowels से जो words start होते हैं उसके पहले हम लोग an use करते हैं. क्या use करते हैं? An. Like example I'll show you. Tell me what is this? Yes, this is a apple. So A is a vowel. Before that what we should use? An. Article an. This is an apple. This is an apple. Next. So children, now next word. What it is? This is an egg. It starts with vowel E. So we have to say this is an egg. This is an egg. Next example. Which picture is this children? Which animal is this? This is a elephant, and the sound is E. It sounds from, it's begin with letter E sound. So before that what we use? A or an? An elephant. We should use article an elephant. Next. Can you see this children? Many times you see this in your home, right? This is iron. What it is? This is an iron. This is an iron. Because it begins with sound I. Next. Can you see this? What it is? Yes, what it is? This is a octopus. What it is? This is a water animal. What it is? This is a water animal, octopus. A for apple, E for elephant, I for iron, and O for octopus. So this is an octopus. This is an octopus. Next. हम लोग बारिश में क्या यूज करते हैं children? What we use? What it is? Wow. What it is? This is a umbrella. What it is? This is a U for umbrella. Okay. So one more time I will explain you. An is used before the word start with vowel sound. हम लोग an कब use करते हैं children? A, E, I, O, U. इस लेटर में से जो भी लेटर स्टार्ट होता है, जो भी वर्ड का फर्स्ट जो बिगिन द लेटर है, बिगिनिंग वाला जो लेटर है, इस 5 वॉवल के साथ स्टार्ट होते हैं, उसके पहले हम an यूज करते हैं. वी यूज an आर्टिकल. वन मोर टाइम आई विल शो यू. विच पिक्चर इज दिस? व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज an apple. This is an apple. This is an egg. This is an egg. An elephant. An elephant. An iron. An iron. An lobster. Sorry. An octopus. An octopus. And what it is? This is a umbrella. U for umbrella. What it is, children? U for umbrella. So children, just now we have learned when we should use a and an articles. We'll see in more details. For that, take your book of literacy subject and come to page number 3232. So children, have you opened this page? Page number 3333. Okay? See. A and an. An is used before the words that begin with a vowel sound. So children, how many vowels are there? Total 5 vowels. Those are A, E, I, O, U. These are the 5 vowels, right? So, before vowel sound, whenever vowel sound will come, whenever vowel words will come, before that we should use an article. Okay, so these are the example. If you will see, A is for aeroplane, A is for engine, I is for iron, I is for iron, O is for octopus, U is for umbrella. So, A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowel sound. These are the words which begins with the vowel sound. So, before that what we should use? Before that we should use an aeroplane, an engine, an iron, an octopus, an umbrella. Okay children? So, before vowel sound what we should use? A or an? An. Okay. This is an aeroplane. This is an engine. This is an iron. This is an octopus. This is an umbrella. Okay. Now repeat after teacher. Okay. An is, say, an is used before the words that begin with a vowel sound. A vowel sound. Okay children? Now say A and an, A-E, R-O-P-L-A-N-E, aeroplane, an aeroplane, an aeroplane. Next, A and an, E-N, G-I-N-E, engine, an engine, an engine. Next, A and an, I-R-O-N, iron, an iron. So children, say A and an, I-R-O-N, iron. R is a silent word, so we should say iron, iron, an iron. Okay, next, A and an, O-C-T-O-P-U-S, octopus, an octopus, an octopus. Next, A and an, U-M-B-R-E-double-L-A, umbrella, an umbrella, an umbrella. One more time we'll read the spelling. A and an, U-M-B-R-E-double-L, an umbrella, an umbrella. So children, before vowel sound we should use an, an article. Okay. Now come to page number 3434. Have you opened this page? I hope you have opened this page, children. Now what is this? This is one practice sheet. Okay. So we have to solve this practice sheet. Okay, children. Repeat after me. F-I-double-L, fill. I-N, in. Put your finger there in your book. T-H-E, the. B-L-A. Below those letters you have to put your finger. B-L-A. N-K-S, blanks. W-I-T-H, with. A. O-R, or. A-N, and. Fill in the blanks with A or and. Fill in the blanks with A or and. Now children, which picture is this? This is a igloo. This is igloo. Which picture is this? Dog. This is egg. This is hat. This is spider. This is arrow. This is, yes, say bus. Then which picture is this? Train. And this is lollipop. This is ostrich. So children, what we are going to do is, you have to recognize these pictures and the sound also, and you have to give me the answer what I should write here. I should write A or an. Okay. Now I is for igloo. Tell me how many vowels are there? 5. Those are A, E, I, O, U. Okay. So these are the vowels. So before vowels what we should use? An. Before vowels, before vowel sound, what we are going to use? And. And before consonant sound, what we are going to use? A. So children, I is for igloo. So here I is there. Mane, this is a vowel sound. So what we are going to use? A or an? A or an? An. Very good. Right here. A and an. An igloo. An igloo. This is an igloo. You have to repeat after me. After completing, while writing, you have to say and write. Okay. This is an igloo. Next picture. Tell me, which picture is this? Dog. Dog. D-O-G. Dog. So D is a consonant or vowel? Consonant. So before consonant, what we are going to use? A or an? Here an is there. Mane, before vowel sound we are going to use an. And before consonant sound we are going to use A. So what will come here? A. A dog. A dog. This is a dog. This is a dog. Come to next picture, children. Which picture is this? Egg. And what is the spelling of egg? E-double-G, egg. Say E-double-G, egg. Now, what I should use here? A or an? E is a consonant or vowel? Vowel. So, what I should use here before vowel sound? An. Very good. Very nice. An egg. An egg. This is an egg. This is an egg. Come to next picture, children. H. H-A-T, hat. So, hat. This is consonant sound or vowel sound? Consonant sound. So, what we are going to write here? A or an? A. Say, a hat. A hat. This is a hat. This is a hat. Next picture. Which picture is this? Is this a snake? Is this an elephant? Is this an elephant? Then what it is? Spider. Yes? So what I should use here, A or an? Consonant sound के पहले what we should use? A. Very good. Right here. A. S-P-I-D-E-R. Spider. S-P-I-D-E-R. Spider. A spider. This is a spider. This is a spider. Next picture. Children, which sound is this? A sound. A is a vowel sound. So what will come here? A or an? An. An arrow. An arrow. A-N-An. A-double-R-O-W. Arrow. An arrow. This is an arrow. This is an arrow. Okay? Come to next picture, children. Tell me, which picture is this? This is a train. So, T sound is a vowel or consonant sound? Consonant sound. So, what will come? A. A. T-R-A-I-N. Train. T-R-A-I-N. Train. This is a train. This is a train. Okay. Next picture. L. L. L is a vowel or consonant sound? Consonant sound. So what will come here? A or an? A. Very nice. My children are very clever. Yes? Right here. A lollipop. L-O double L I P-O-P. Lollipop. L-O double L-I P-O-P. Lollipop. This is a lollipop. This is a lollipop. Okay? Now next picture. Which picture is this, children? Ostrich. So, O is a vowel sound or consonant sound. Look here. A, E, I, O. So, what we should use before vowel sound? Yes, an. Say A-N, an. A-N, an. O-S. T-R-I-C-H. Ostrich. O-S-T-R-I-C-H. Ostrich. An ostrich. An ostrich. This is an ostrich. This is an ostrich. Okay, children, have you completed this? Okay. So, children, we have learned, I hope you have completed this practice page. And today we have learned a and an article. Today, our new content we have learned a and an. These articles we have learned. In that, one practice sheet we have solved. Okay. So, in the next session, we are going to solve one more practice sheet. Okay. So, till then, you just practice of this a and an article. Okay, children. We'll see you in the next session. Till then, take care. Thank you.